Alright, let's just go into it, okay? This is the fastest way to learn Unity that I can imagine. And, I mean, there's probably other ways to learn, but this is the one that I'm currently imagining, okay? So I've just created a sphere and a cube, okay? And now I'm gonna hit the play button and see what happens. Nothing! Nothing happened! Why? Why? Well, that's because you gotta add, check this out, rigid body. This is called a component. Added component, okay? Now listen, if there's nothing else that you can remember from this video, just remember sphere, component, mesh renderer, component, sphere collider, component, rigid body, component. Don't worry about the fact that they have different icons. They're all components. These are all components. So, as a result of adding this rigid body, watch what happens when I hit the play button. Drag this up here. Gravity! Gravity! Okay, now watch this. This is really gonna mess your brain up. Check this out. Oh my god, physics. Oh my god. Okay, so basically, every time you make a script, it's a component, okay? Add component, let's call it jump sphere. Bap, bap, done. Just let it load for... How are you doing, by the way? Okay, alright. Jump sphere component added. Double click that script. Alright, we're gonna do some stuff. Actually, not there. We're gonna do this, okay? If input dot get key down, key code dot space dot get component. We talked about components and what they are. So we're going to search this game object for a component called the rigid body, and we're going to add force, okay? And we're going to go vector 3 dot up, that's my favorite direction, and we're going to multiply that by 1,000, okay? And that's it. That's done. We made a game. The game's done. The game is done, okay? Hit the play button. Watch what happens, okay? When I press space. Oh! It's a little too light. Let's add some mass. Okay. Oh! Oh! So that's your first game. You just made it. But wait, there's more! Okay, so get component. It's a little bit computationally expensive because what this does, this function called get component, is attached to this game object. It's called a sphere. And it's going to search through all of these components. Remember we went over this. Components, okay? It's going to say sphere mesh filter. Is that a rigid body? No! Mesh render, is that a rigid body? No! Sphere collider, is that a rigid body? No! Rigid body, is that a rigid body? Yeah, it is. Okay, so then it finds this, and it tells this exact component to add force up. That's how it works, okay? So let's just make it a little bit better, okay? The second lesson of UNiTY.com is public, rigid body, this rigid body? Rigid body? That rigid body? A rigid body? And... Doesn't matter! You call this whatever you want. You can call it... Just call it rigid bod. Rigid bod. Rigid bod is pretty good. Alright, watch this. Watch what happens. Just, you know, in a sec. Alright! So it's gonna refresh now, and it's gonna say rigid bod. Put it right there. None. Why does it say none? Well, it's because we didn't do a search yet. We didn't go sphere, mesh render, sphere, rigid body, yes. No, we didn't do that. So we don't have to. We just go like this. Watch. Click, drag, drop. Oh! Oh my god! So that means this now has a definition because it's public. If it's public, it shows up. If it's not public, it doesn't show up. So don't ever do that for any reason unless there's a reason to do it. And there's a lot of them, but we don't need to get into that right now. So hey! Anyway, now, watch. Code's going to work the same. It's going to work the same. Ha! I pressed space just now. Ha! Okay, so yeah, you can see now, basically, this is connected to that. Oh, no, but it's not. I made a mistake! Can anyone spot my mistake? It's right here, watch. It's still using the get component call. So, nope! Rigid body, rigid bod, dot add force. Same thing! Okay, now, exit play mode, enter play mode. Okay, and now we press space. Look at that. Holy heck. All right, so what's happening here is this ultra advanced machine learning enabled script called jump sphere is telling this exact rigid body, which is this, click, look at that. It's telling that exact thing to go up at a force of 1,000. That's what it's telling it to do. Space. Ah! Wow, amazing. Okay, so just to consolidate this, just to make sure everybody's got it. Everybody know what a Boolean is? It's basically, it's a true, is it true or false? That's what a Boolean is, okay? So just watch this. 3, 2, maybe one now? Okay, look at that! It's right there! Okay, it's true now. It's false now. Oh my god! So you can do that with any type of type. It's called a type in code. I don't know why they do that. But, a friggin' number, okay? Watch this. Just literally just watch. It's just magic. It's right there. A freaking number. 0 is a number. So is 9. Ha! It's right there. It's right there. All of them. All right. Now, one last thing, just to make sure you got some useful tools at your disposal that you didn't have 2 minutes ago. Get button down. Key code. .a. All right. We're gonna go. Is a true or false equals true. And then watch this. Copy that. Gonna go over here. Gonna double that. Gonna go. Okay. And then we're just gonna go. Wait, did I mess up? Yes, I did. See how it says get button down like a dumb? It's supposed to say get key down. So it checks your keyboard. Okay. Remember that. Buttons are for squares. Keys are the ones you want. All right. So watch this. Whoa. All right. Oh, what's gonna happen if I, I'm not gonna click it. I'm not. I'm gonna press a button. Oh, okay, I pressed A, D, oh my god, A, D, okay, so that's how this works. Do you understand? Does that make sense? Like, that's it. That's how it is. The game is done. Ship it. Thanks for watching. I love you.